How to change your payment method on your Temu application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your payment method on your Temu application. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed as well as signed into your Temu application, and you'll be seeing such interface. So simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and you can see there's option at the top right corner, a gear option. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, you will get this screen where you can easily see the your payment method option. So tap on it, and from over here, if you have already set it your payment method, just click on add a credit card or debit card button, and just enter your card details with expiration date and your security code, that is CVV, and just click on add your card. And once you add your card, you get the option to remove your previous or older card. So simply tap on that remove card option, and just like that, you have successfully changed your payment method on your Temu application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.